Something that we did in the last video, I really feel that it's so important. I should spend another video just pointing it out. So in your REPLs or maybe your Visual Studios or whatever the case may be, you might have all your stuff all kind of lined up here, all your HTML pages, your JavaScript, your CSS, any photos you used. So you could end up having about 30 files down the left hand side here. And I told you when you exported all of that stuff to your computer, you're going to get a bunch of stuff together, and it's really what you should be doing is you should be creating a folder for your images, shoving them in there, and same with videos and that. And you know, we had a problem then when we checked our index page, these had disappeared. So all you had to do to correct that, and we seen it, but let's see it really up close and personal here. So in our REPL page, this is what we had. This is what we had in our REPL page, and it was just simply source and find the source of the water and of the image, and it was just called waterleakdetect.jpg. And REPL itself, the online editor, knew that it was there and it picked it up and no problems. And then you brought it down into your computer and it was in your main folder. And again, because you had 20 or 30 files, it didn't look nice. So you created your images folder and you shoved it in there. And this, the only difference then that you had to do to find it was quite simply jump in there and say, right, you're looking in here. So let me show you, I'll bring this a little bit up. You're looking in here now. Oh, I can't find it. Where's my photo water leak detect? Well, it's in here in images. And the big difference we've got there between the one that we had was we're just saying now, all right, this time we want you to go and find a folder called images. Look in there. See it? Images, look in there. And now you'll find your photo. So look, I just feel that was really important to specify that. See you in the next video.